Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 11 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.